Hey guys, I'm Lulu, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we'll show you the pros of installing wheel spacers. They're just automobile accessories that install between the assembly hub and the wheel. The main function and the purpose of the wheel spacers are to create the desired space between the vehicle hub and the wheel. The wheel spacer safety largely depends on their quality, fitting, and installation. In case of low quality, improper fitting, and incorrect installation, problems can arise while driving. So, the wheel spacer's installation must exactly match the wheel assembly and the rim hub holes. High quality and high precision wheel spacers installing brings you the following benefits: providing a flush appearance of the vehicle, allowing safe use of aftermarket wheels and tires, clearing the clearance issue for big brake calipers. They're installed between your vehicle's hub and the wheel to push the wheel away from suspension components. This would also provide a wider track for your vehicle, which can improve performance. So that's all for today's video. Would you like to choose these bonus wheel spacers for your Land Cruiser 200? If you have any questions, please leave the comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.